Hey everyone, I'm Nelson Chen and we're back here at Avora. Today we're introducing Residence 317. This south-facing two-bedroom has over 1,500 square feet, custom lighting, 10 custom-fitted closets, gorgeous interior finishes, and best of all, a full-size bonus room that makes the perfect home office or formal dining room. You gotta come check it out. You know how to find us. Give us a call, and until then, take a look around.